Ambassador Mukherjee, how should India view this development and what should be India's response over here? Because I think it is well established that there can be no support that can come from United States of America in terms of fighting terrorism that emanates out of Pakistan.
There is a deep contradiction in the comments that have come from the US State Department, because on one hand they say that they have excellent ties with both countries, India and Pakistan, and that these ties are unchanged. On the other hand, they are encouraging this so-called field marshal who lost the Operation Sindoor against, which was launched by India because of the Pahalgam massacres. They are encouraging him to the hilt, and they have not said a word when, for the first time in the history of the world, I would say, since we acquired nuclear weapons, the first nuclear weapons, a foreign leader on US soil has made nuclear threats against India and has said that if necessary, Pakistan will take half the world down with it. In other words, he is giving nuclear threats on American soil, and there has been no overt or covert criticism about his statement emanating from the Americans. So there is a blatant contradiction. Secondly, as has been correctly pointed out by my co-panelist, the Balochistan Liberation Army is intended to liberate Balochistan from the illegal occupation of Balochistan by Punjab, Pakistan, and they are fighting for their homeland. The American president appears to be under the erroneous impression that he can get his hands on Baluchi resources by encouraging crackdown on Balochistan Liberation Army and calling it a foreign organization. Correctly, as explained by my co-panelist, seems to imply that the entire Balochistan Liberation Army has been created by India and is India's weapon against Pakistan. In other words, instead of Pakistani terrorism targeting India, Indian terrorism is targeting Pakistan through Balochistan.
Yeah.
They would get a very bad surprise, Megha, if they try to get into Balochistan, because as you know, the Americans hate body bags. There are many, many Chinese body bags that have come back from Balochistan. There will be many more which will come back from Balochistan if the Americans try to exploit Baluchi resources without the approval of the Baluchi people. So this is all big talk. The point is that when they went into Afghanistan, they left with Afghans holding on to the wheels of the aircraft. When they left Vietnam, they had South Vietnamese holding on to the wheels of their aircraft. Whenever the fighting heats up, they leave and they abandon those who help them. So we will see how it happens. You know, history for us in the subcontinent, Megha, is a long game. We are a millennial civilization. We'll see how this works out, Megha.